It perfectly fits me because they already adjust this one for me. Welcome back, guys. So for today's vlog, we're going to do an unboxing. It's my first time to do an unboxing in our channel. So what we're going to do unbox today is this one. It's from Our Choice. As you can see in the paper bag, it's from Our Choice, a Ribuli company. So most of you guys, especially from UAE, in Dubai, so you know already what is this. So this is a watch. I'm going to unbox and review a little bit this watch. So this watch is a it's a Tissot. It's a Tissot watch. Before I totally reveal this watch, guys, again, I'm inviting you, all of you who are watching right now, to please subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon for notification, so every time there is new upload, you will be notified. So with that, I'm going to unbox this. So this watch is this one. So this particular watch is Tissot PRS 516. This one is a chronograph watch. As you can see, this one is a Tissot PRS 516 chronograph. The case size of this watch is 42mm, which I really like because I prefer that size for my wrist. I don't like something smaller than that one, 40 or 41, which is too small for me, and 44 and 45 will be too big also. So I prepare always 42 and 43mm. I really like the dial of this watch. It's black, but not totally dark black. A little bit lighter shade of black, and the second hand color is a red, which I really do like to combine with the black because those two colors are my favorite. So, and the bracelet is as you can see, it's mix of polish and brush, polish and brush, stainless steel. So it's really nice. So I will try this one on my wrist. For sure it perfectly fits me because they already adjust this one for me. Yeah, it is perfectly, as you can see. This one is a fantastic watch. I would say this one really, in terms of the model, the design, the combination of the color, and even the bracelet is very, very nice. See? And I forgot to tell you about also the box. I will show you the box. This one, and at the back of the box, there's this one is normal thing when you bought something like this one. It's like a module. For some other model, this one is not PRS 516. This one is the T-Touch. It's included on this thing. And this one, yeah, like the module about the some other models, and about the history of Tissot, where it was originated. We all know where it was originated. Of course, it was from Switzerland. So these things included on here, and as I told you, this warranty card for 2 years, international warranty card, and this piece that they removed from the bracelet, so it will fit my wrist exactly, and this small pillow. So again, thanks again for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, guys. And before I end this video, I gave you a simple advice last time about the COVID-19. So I forgot to tell you about washing hands on that thing. That's the most important thing, rather than wearing the mask. Of course, it's important also to wear the mask if you're going in public places. But the most important thing is to bring alcohol or hand sanitizer. So every time you touch something, and then you want to, before you touch your face, so you have to sanitize first your hands, so it will be safe. Again, I am inviting you all guys who are watching right now to please subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon for notification. Thanks again for watching, guys. Thank you for the support. We really appreciate that one. And give it a thumbs up if you like this video. See you on the next vlog, guys. Peace.